Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best backdrop stand is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any content creator, photographer, or event planner looking to elevate their visual presentation, providing a professional and versatile foundation for stunning backdrops that can transform any space into a studio, making it crucial to choose a reliable and easy-to-use option that meets your specific creative demands. Number 5. EMART Backdrop Stand 10 by 7 Foot Photo Studio Kit. This stand features a retractable crossbar, allowing you to easily adjust its width from 5.3 to 10 feet. This flexibility ensures it adapts perfectly to various background sizes. Remember not to hang items over 10 pounds for optimal performance. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it offers adjustable height from 2.6 to 7 feet. Its robust tripod base provides exceptional stability, preventing any wobbling even at maximum extension. Included accessories like strong plastic clamps ensure your backdrops are held tightly for a professional look. For added stability, especially with heavier items or in windy conditions, use the provided sandbags by filling them with sand or rocks. This entire kit is incredibly lightweight and comes with a convenient carry bag. It packs down compactly, making it easy to store in any room or corner without taking up much space. It's perfect for a wide range of uses, from professional studio photography and product displays to DIY photo booths and event decorations. Whether for weddings, parties, or pet pictures, it meets diverse needs. What we like. If you need a versatile stand that adapts to different backdrop sizes and is easy to transport, this is an excellent choice. Its retractable crossbar offers great flexibility for various setups, from small to large. Perfect for event decorators or casual photographers needing a reliable, space-saving solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. HPUSN 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Backdrop Stand Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for your photography and video needs. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to create professional-looking backdrops. It's perfect for any event, from family gatherings to professional shoots. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, its leg frames offer exceptional strength. You can easily adjust its height from a compact 2.3 feet up to an impressive 7 feet, adapting quickly to your specific setup requirements. The telescopic crossbar, also made from robust aluminum, connects the support legs seamlessly. It allows you to adjust the backdrop's width from 5.2 feet to a generous 10 feet, accommodating various background sizes. Included are 6 strong background clips designed to secure your chosen backdrop material. Whether it's canvas, muslin, or paper, these clips ensure your background stays perfectly in place for flawless results. For added security, 2 sandbags are provided. Simply fill them with heavy material to weigh down the entire frame. This prevents any unwanted movement, ensuring your setup remains stable throughout your session. What we like. Looking for an all-in-one solution that's quick to set up for your next shoot or party? This complete kit provides everything you need right out of the box, making it ideal for beginners or those who value convenience. Its adjustable features ensure you can easily adapt it to various scenarios, perfect for family gatherings or video streaming. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON, therefore no points can be extracted. No reviews provided in the source JSON, therefore no points can be extracted. Number 3. FUDESY 10 by 10 Foot Heavy Duty Backdrop Stand. Introducing the FUDESY 10 by 10 Foot Heavy Duty Backdrop Stand. This versatile system is designed to elevate your photography and video projects, providing a reliable foundation for any background. Setting up your studio has never been simpler. This support system is engineered for effortless assembly and disassembly, meaning you can focus more on your creative vision and less on complicated tools. Crafted from robust aluminum, it ensures exceptional stability and durability. Its heavy-duty design, featuring a 1.4-inch diameter tube, provides a sturdy foundation for any backdrop, whether indoors or out. Its adjustable height, from 3.4 to 10 feet, and width, up to 10 feet, make it incredibly versatile. You can easily customize its dimensions to fit various shooting environments, from compact home studios to expansive outdoor locations. This comprehensive package includes everything you need: 2 support stands for crossbars, 2 spring clamps for background clips, and a portable carry bag. These accessories ensure you're ready to secure your backdrops and transport your setup with ease. When your shoot is done, it folds down to a compact 2.9 feet. The included nylon carry bag makes transportation and storage incredibly convenient, allowing you to take your studio anywhere. What we like. If stability and durability are your top priorities, especially for heavier backdrops, this stand is built to last. Its 1.4-inch diameter tubes provide superior sturdiness, ensuring your setup remains firm and secure. This is an ideal choice for professional studios or outdoor shoots where reliability is paramount. What people say. Number 2. PHOPIK 10 feet adjustable photo studio backdrop stand. Need a flexible setup for your photos or videos? This stand offers adjustable height from 5 to 10 feet and width from 2.3 to 7 feet. It effortlessly holds your backdrop, helping you create diverse scenes for any project. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this stand is built to last and easy to transport. Its wide 44-inch base, reinforced with 2 included nylon sandbags, ensures everything stays perfectly stable, even when fully extended. Say goodbye to sagging or wrinkled backdrops. With its strong spring clamps and reliable muslin clip holders, it keeps your background securely in place. Your subjects will always look their best against a smooth, professional backdrop. This lightweight and portable system is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's for family gatherings, video shoots, weddings, or professional studio work, it provides the ideal background support. Take your photography and videography to the next level, wherever you go. Everything you need is included to get started right away. You'll receive adjustable support stands, crossbars, heavy-duty clamps, muslin clips, weight bags, a user manual, and a convenient carrying bag for easy transport. What we like. For those who prioritize a super stable setup and wrinkle-free backdrops, this option stands out. Its wide 44-inch diameter base combined with included sandbags offers exceptional stability, even when fully extended. If you're a portrait photographer or studio owner who needs a consistently professional look, this system will keep your backdrops perfectly taut. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 1. EMART 10 by 10 foot heavy-duty backdrop stand. This complete system is designed for professional-grade performance. It includes everything you need and can handle significant loads for various events. Engineered with dual internal springs, it reliably protects your equipment. This system can support heavy backdrops, green screens, and large banners weighing up to 35 pounds. Its tripod base extends for enhanced stability, ensuring your setup stays secure. With an adjustable height from 3.9 to 10 feet, it's ideal for various photography and display needs. The heavy-duty, 3-section aluminum crossbar adjusts quickly from 3.9 feet to 10 feet. Its quick twist-lock mechanism ensures secure positioning for any backdrop. It includes 4 sturdy spring clips to securely fix all background materials. These effectively prevent the sliding of fabrics, cloth, and green screens. Made from upgraded Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it offers maximum durability. This professional carry bag conveniently stores the entire system, ensuring complete protection on the go. What we like. If you're working with very heavy backdrops or multiple props and need maximum load-bearing capacity, this heavy-duty stand is engineered for performance. With a 35 pounds load capacity and dual internal springs, it provides unparalleled support and shock absorption. This is the ultimate choice for event planners or photographers using elaborate setups where robust support is non-negotiable. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.